In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Google Forms, and guess what? It's going to take us no more than 5 minutes to walk through the whole process. Creating an online form using Google Forms is incredibly useful for gathering information, feedback, or even organizing events and RSVPs. So, whether you're planning a survey, a quiz, or just need a quick way to collect data, you're in the right place. First things first, you'll need to access Google Forms. To do this, head on over to your web browser and type docs.google.com/forms. Before you can start creating your form, Google will ask you to sign in. So go ahead and click sign in. You'll enter your email address, hit next, then type in your password, and again, click sign in. It's essential to be logged into your Google account to save and access your forms later on. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Forms homepage. Here, Google offers a variety of pre-made templates, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to start from scratch. Look for the colourful plus icon that usually signifies a blank form and give that a click. This action will open up a brand new, fresh Google form just waiting for your input. This is the canvas where your form starts to come to life. You'll notice a default title, Untitled Form, at the top which you can click on to edit. This is where you typically spell out the purpose of your form, be it customer feedback, RSVP for my birthday party, or end of year survey. Directly under the title, there's space for a form description. Use this area to give your respondents a heads up about why you're collecting this information or any instructions they might need. At this initial stage, your form is like a blank piece of digital paper, ready to be filled with whatever questions you find pertinent. Google Forms is extremely user-friendly and intuitive, allowing you to choose from various types of questions like multiple choice, short answers, or linear scales. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor your form exactly to your needs, whether you're looking for detailed responses or prefer the simplicity of yes/no answers. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, you've laid the foundation for your Google form. From here, you can delve into customization, adding more questions, breaking down sections, or even playing with the color scheme to match your style or company branding. Remember, the key to a great form is making it engaging and easy to navigate for those filling it out. So take advantage of Google Forms' user-friendly design tools to make your form not just functional, but aesthetically pleasing as well. We've covered the basics today, setting you on a path to collecting valuable data or feedback efficiently and effectively. The world of Google Forms is vast, with numerous possibilities for customization and application. So I encourage you to explore, experiment, and discover how this powerful tool can serve your needs, whether personal, educational, or professional. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on creating a form in Google Forms. Dive in, start creating, and see just how easy and impactful this tool can be. Happy form making!